This is our quick guide to your Minna Stoneware Grater plate. To make garlic paste, take a clove, peel it or simply cut off the tip, hold the garlic root end up and grate in a circular motion. Then take a silicone brush and using small strokes, brush your paste into the center in line with the grooves. For ginger, we have one little trick. Peel and cut off a slice of at least 1 centimeter, making sure you cut against the fibers, then grate and brush out. You can even squeeze the paste against the plate to extract the juice for use in teas, cocktails, or healthy shots. You can apply these same principles to any paste you want to make. A circular motion in the middle and gently brushing towards the center ensures the best results. Your Minna plate can also be used to create dry spice powders. Using the outermost grooves, grate side to side using minimal pressure. For cinnamon and more brittle spices, hold them like an eraser as close to the bottom as possible. This will stop the spices snapping or bouncing off the grooves. When grating nuts, chocolate or parmesan, hold the grater at an angle or upside down. Once you're done, either wash by hand or simply place in the dishwasher.